Have you ever wondered how the pharmaceutical industry came to be such a pivotal part of our lives? It's a story that begins centuries ago, when our ancestors relied on nature to cure their ailments. But as time progressed, so did our understanding of medicine. We moved from relying solely on nature to creating concoctions in laboratories, marking the birth of the pharmaceutical industry. This industry has evolved tremendously over the years, becoming a cornerstone of modern healthcare. Today, it's hard to imagine a world without pharmaceuticals. They've become an integral part of our lives, from the simple aspirin we take for a headache to the complex drugs used to treat life-threatening diseases. One company stands out in this evolution, a company that has been a key player in shaping the pharmaceutical landscape: Eli Lilly. Founded in the late 19th century, Eli Lilly was not just another pharmaceutical company. It was a beacon of innovation, a symbol of progress in a rapidly changing world. The year was 1876. The Civil War had recently ended, and the United States was in the midst of Reconstruction. Amidst this turbulent time, a man named Colonel Eli Lilly decided to start a pharmaceutical company. But this was not just any company. Eli Lilly had a vision. He saw the potential of pharmaceuticals, the possibility of creating medicines that could change lives, that could change the world. And so, with a small investment and an enormous dream, Eli Lilly and Company was born. This was a time when quality control in medicine was virtually non-existent. Quack remedies and fraudulent drugs were rampant. But Eli Lilly was different. From the very beginning, the company placed a high emphasis on research and quality, setting new standards in the industry. A humble beginning for a company that would soon revolutionize the pharmaceutical industry. This was the dawn of a new era, an era that would see the rise of Eli Lilly as a pharmaceutical giant. Little did Colonel Eli Lilly know, his small company would one day become a global powerhouse, shaping the future of medicine in ways he could only dream of. Eli Lilly started with a modest investment, but a grand vision. In the era of patent medicines and snake oil salesmen, Colonel Eli Lilly, a Civil War veteran and pharmaceutical chemist, dared to dream differently. In 1876, with a humble capital, he founded Eli Lilly and Company in a small building in Indianapolis. Lilly's aim was to bring scientific rigor to the pharmaceutical industry, a concept that was revolutionary at the time. The company's first product was gelatin-coated pills, a simple yet significant innovation. The gelatin coating made the pills easier to swallow and protected the medicine inside from air and moisture, ensuring its potency remained intact. This was typical of Lilly's approach, focusing on quality and innovation to create better products. From the get-go, Eli Lilly and Company set a high standard for pharmaceutical manufacturing. They were not just producing medicines, they were creating a legacy of trust. Lilly insisted that each batch of medicine was tested for quality and purity before it left the factory. This commitment to excellence quickly set them apart from their competitors, many of whom were still peddling dubious concoctions with little regard for safety or efficacy. Then, in the 1920s, Eli Lilly and Company took on a challenge that would forever seal their reputation as innovators. Diabetes was a death sentence at the time, but Canadian researchers had recently discovered insulin, a hormone that could potentially save lives. However, the process of extracting insulin was laborious and inefficient, making it impossible to produce in the quantities needed to treat the growing number of diabetics. Enter Eli Lilly and Company. They took on the task of mass-producing insulin, investing in research and developing a method to extract and purify insulin from animal pancreases. By 1923, they were producing enough insulin to meet the national demand. This was a game-changer, transforming diabetes from a fatal disease into a manageable condition. The company's early success was just a hint of what was to come. As we will see, Eli Lilly and Company was just getting started. Their commitment to quality and innovation would continue to drive their success in the decades to follow. Eli Lilly wasn't just producing medicines, they were pioneering groundbreaking medical advancements. This couldn't be more true. Let's dip our toes into the 50s, an era when polio was a global terror. Parents lived in fear, praying their children wouldn't fall prey to the crippling disease. But relief was on the horizon. Eli Lilly was instrumental in the development and production of the polio vaccine. This was a game-changer, a beacon of hope that turned the tide in the fight against this debilitating virus. But let's rewind a bit. The world was at war in the 40s. Amidst the chaos, the need for antibiotics was dire. Wounded soldiers were at risk of infections that could turn lethal without effective treatment. Eli Lilly stepped up to the plate, mass-producing penicillin and revolutionizing wartime healthcare. This wasn't just a victory for soldiers, it was a victory for mankind, setting the stage for the widespread use of antibiotics we see today. Fast forward to the 80s, a decade of vibrant pop culture, economic growth, and unfortunately, a rise in mental health issues. Depression was becoming a silent epidemic, a hidden foe that was as deadly as any physical ailment. Enter Prozac, introduced by Eli Lilly. This antidepressant became a lifeline for millions, offering a ray of hope in the dark world of depression. It was a breakthrough that brought mental health to the forefront of medical discussions and changed the way we approach and treat mental health conditions. In every decade, every era, Eli Lilly was there, not just following the trends, but setting them. Not just making medicine, but making history. They were trailblazers, pioneers, the unsung heroes in the chapters of medical innovation. From the battle against polio to the mass production of antibiotics, from the introduction of Prozac to the countless other milestones, Eli Lilly was always there, pushing the boundaries, challenging the status quo, and changing lives. In every era, Eli Lilly seemed to be at the forefront of medical innovation. From a small startup in Indianapolis to a global pharmaceutical giant, Eli Lilly's journey is nothing short of inspiring. A story of a company that dared to dream big, ventured beyond its comfort zone, and took the world by storm, one medicine at a time. In the heart of the 20th century, Eli Lilly began expanding its horizons beyond the United States. The company recognized the potential of international markets and the opportunity to bring its innovative pharmaceutical solutions to a broader audience. It was a bold move, but one that would ultimately shape Eli Lilly's future and redefine the global pharmaceutical landscape. Today, Eli Lilly's footprint spans across more than 120 countries, from the bustling streets of Tokyo to the vibrant cities of South Africa. Their mission to provide better health outcomes remains a universal constant, irrespective of borders and cultures. This global presence is complemented by a diverse product portfolio that caters to a vast array of health concerns. From pioneering diabetes treatments to breakthrough cancer therapies, Eli Lilly's offerings are as varied as they are groundbreaking. Each product is a testament to the company's unyielding commitment to improving lives, a commitment that has remained unwavering throughout the years. But what truly sets Eli Lilly apart is their dedication to research and development. The company invests heavily in cutting-edge research, constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible in medicine. This relentless pursuit of innovation has resulted in numerous breakthroughs and has cemented Eli Lilly's position as a leader in the pharmaceutical industry. It's not just about creating medicines, but about creating hope. It's about envisioning a world where diseases are not a death sentence, but a challenge to overcome, where every individual, regardless of where they live or their economic status, has access to quality healthcare. Today, Eli Lilly stands as a testament to the power of innovation and perseverance, a beacon of hope in a world often marred by health challenges. A company that started as a small startup and grew into a global powerhouse, all while staying true to its core values and mission. This, ladies and gentlemen, is the inspiring journey of Eli Lilly. So what does the rise of Eli Lilly mean for us? As we delve into this, we see that the impact of Eli Lilly resonates far beyond its corporate walls. It's an impact that touches the lives of patients, the pharmaceutical industry, and the realm of medical research. Let's start with the patients. Imagine the countless lives that have been fundamentally changed because of the innovative medicines Eli Lilly has brought to the world. From fighting diabetes to combating cancer, Eli Lilly's commitment to discovering and developing groundbreaking treatments has made life better for people around the world. The company's dedication to patients is not just about treatments, but also about improving patient care through education and support programs. Now on to the pharmaceutical industry. Eli Lilly has been a trailblazer, setting benchmarks for others to follow. They've shown that a pharmaceutical company can be both a profit-making enterprise and a force for good, investing in research and development, even when the financial rewards are uncertain. They've pushed the boundaries of what's possible, encouraging the industry to evolve and grow. And finally, let's talk about medical research. Eli Lilly's impact on this sphere is profound. Their relentless pursuit of innovation has led to breakthroughs that have transformed the landscape of healthcare. They've cultivated a culture of scientific curiosity, unafraid to explore uncharted territories in the pursuit of better treatments and cures. Their research initiatives are not only advancing our understanding of disease, but also shaping the future of medicine. In essence, the rise of Eli Lilly is a testament to the power of innovation and determination. It exemplifies how a single company's vision can ripple out, influencing an entire industry, driving forward medical research, and most importantly, improving countless lives. The story of Eli Lilly is a reminder that with innovation and determination, we can transform the world of healthcare.